Welcome to Ordering Pizza at the Restaurant. Today we're gonna dive into a classic scenario that we all know and love. Picture yourself walking into your favorite pizzeria, the aroma of freshly baked dough filling the air. You're greeted by a friendly waiter, ready to take your order. The waiter approaches with a smile and asks, "Hi, are you ready to order?" With excitement, you nod and say, "Yes, one small pizza, please." The waiter, attentive to your needs, inquires further, "What topping would you like?" Without a second thought, you choose cheese and mushrooms. Your decision is simple, yet delightful, an all-time favorite. Thinking of what might accompany your meal, the waiter then asks, "Drinks?" You contemplate for a moment before deciding on something refreshing. "A bottle of water, please," you reply, opting for the perfect accompaniment to your savory choice. With a nod, the waiter confirms, "Sure, it'll be ready soon." As you wait, you can almost feel the anticipation as the ingredients are carefully prepared. Imagine the cheese melting perfectly over the mushrooms, each bite promising a burst of flavor. While your order is being crafted, you take in the lively atmosphere around you. People are chatting, glasses clinking, and the hum of conversation fills the air, a testament to the universal appeal of pizza. Finally, the waiter returns, your order in hand, ready to indulge your taste buds. It's moments like these, simple yet memorable, that make dining out such a delightful experience. Whether you're dining solo or with friends, the excitement of a delicious meal never fades. Thank you for joining us in this virtual ordering experience. Next time you find yourself at a pizzeria, you'll be ready to order with ease and enjoy every bite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you related to this classic pizza ordering encounter. Until next time, happy dining!